For 35 years, Accra-Fab has provided quality custom metal fabrication and manufacturing for companies all over the world. The Liberty Lake company likes to say, we do it all. And as Derek Deis found out in this week's Made in the Northwest report, it most definitely does.
Accra-Fab was founded in 1979 to manufacture input devices for the computer industries, but it's grown tremendously since then. Today, the main industries the company serves are
our power management, aerospace, electronics test and measurement are our largest areas. We also do a fair amount of medical and marine work.
Most of Accra-Fab's business is manufacturing things like
enclosures and sub-assemblies and individual components for the electronics industry.
But aerospace parts are actually the fastest growing part of the business. Accra-Fab and its 160 employees specialize in precision sheet metal fabrication, machining and assembly, and finishing. It's basically a one-stop shop for customers.
We can handle projects from the design phase all the way through that final assembly and finishing.
And it starts with design work, engineering work, and prototyping in Accra-Fab's engineering services area. Many of the company's parts then begin to take shape on this 4,000-watt high-speed industrial laser.
We can handle the very low-volume prototyping, and when we're in that design, engineering, and development phase, all the way up to production run quantities.
Accra-Fab also features 9 punch presses, which handle a lot of work.
We've got various capabilities from 22 different unique tools all the way up to 44 unique tools.
The company even does graining and in-house plating, another example of Accra-Fab's ability to do it all. About 5 years ago, Accra-Fab made a commitment to lean manufacturing, which you can see in its assembly work, forming, and hardware insertion.
We've built subframes underneath that equipment to make it movable and make it very fast and efficient to set up and switch between product lines, so we can really be flexible and at the same time be very efficient in our manufacturing.
Its powder coat line is another service that sets the company apart.
It's an automated line that includes an iron phosphate wash line that preps the parts, and then we have 2 stations for shooting the powder coat.
It also has wet painting and silk screening departments for customers who require it. Accra-Fab's other business, Coffee Crafters, which we featured in July, is also taking off because
our coffee roaster also works extremely well in roasting cocoa beans, cacao, and so we're seeing that market is a huge potential for us as well.
And while lower skilled manufacturing work continues to go offshore, Accra-Fab plans to continue tapping its potential with more complex, higher quality work.
We can offer things that our customers can't get offshore and is very difficult to find elsewhere around the United States.
That's the kind of niche you create when you do it all. From Maine, the Northwest, I'm Derek Deis, KXLY4 News.